Hi guys, welcome back to FOODIELOGS. Thank you so much for stopping by, and if you're new, you're more than welcome to join the family, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And so to begin, rub lime on the rim of the glass and roll it in either sugar or salt, but for this particular video I used sugar. So now you want to allow this to dry before pouring the drink into the cup. So in a mixing bowl, we're going to be adding 2 cups of limeade, and this was a store-bought limeade. One cup of lemonade, half cup of sparkling water, and this is optional, you don't have to add this. Then stir, and that's it for the first drink. Now to get another flavor with the same mix, we're going to be using juice, a different kind of juice. I'm going to be using grapefruit juice. You can go for orange juice, pineapple juice, any type of juice you like basically, but here I'm going to be using 1 cup of grapefruit juice, and I'm just going to stir and mix this all together, and that's it for this drink actually. So it's very easy to make. And there you have it guys, enjoy your non-alcoholic margaritas with family and friends. You can serve as slushy margaritas or ice cold. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.